Introducing the ultimate AI-powered tool for making money online, harnessing the power of advanced algorithms and machine learning to help you identify profitable opportunities and maximize your earnings potential. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just looking to supplement your income, our cutting-edge technology analyzes market trends and consumer behavior to provide actionable insights and strategies for success. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to a smarter, more profitable way to make money online. Introducing GPT-4 by OpenAI. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll tell you about GPT-4 and how it can be used to make money online easily. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more similar content. Let's dive in. GPT-4 is the newest version of OpenAI's language model systems. Its previous version, GPT 3.5, powered the company's wildly popular ChatGPT chatbot when it launched in November of 2022. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, GPT, a type of language model that uses deep learning to generate human-like conversational text. What can GPT-4 do? Since GPT-4 is a large multimodal model, emphasis on multimodal, it is able to accept both text and image inputs and output human-like text. For example, with GPT-4, you could upload a worksheet and it will be able to scan it and output responses to the questions. It can also read a graph you upload and make calculations based on the data presented. This is all great, but how can you leverage GPT-4 to earn some bucks? Here are 7 ways. 1. Create websites and landing pages. With the advent of GPT-4, creating websites and landing pages has become easier than ever before. The incredible power of GPT-4 allows you to transform a mere sketch into a fully functional website or app. Additionally, you can utilize tools like Midjourney to design stunning landing pages with ease. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for individuals and businesses looking to create strong online presence without the need for extensive technical skills. So whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned web designer, GPT-4 can help take your website and landing page creation to the next level. 2. Content writing services. One of the most exciting ways to leverage the power of GPT-4 is through content writing services. Whether you're looking to create captivating captions, tweets, or LinkedIn content, GPT-4 can help you take your copywriting to the next level. With GPT-4, you can simply provide a prompt and let the AI do the rest, generating compelling and engaging content in no time. For example, you can ask GPT-4 to come up with a Twitter hook for a topic like how to start freelancing in 7 days, and watch as it produces a brilliant piece of content that captures the essence of the topic and draws in readers. With GPT-4, the possibilities are endless, and the results are nothing short of spectacular. 3. Create and sell online courses and ebooks. Another fantastic way to make money with GPT-4 is creating and selling online courses and ebooks. With the help of GPT-4, you can easily write compelling and informative content that is sure to capture the attention of your target audience. Plus, AI tools like @StockImageAI make it easy to create stunning book covers and illustrations for free, ensuring that your content looks as good as it reads. Once you've created your course or ebook, you can sell it on platforms like Gumroad to start making money right away. Whether you're an expert in a particular field or just have a passion for sharing knowledge, GPT-4 can help you turn your ideas into profitable digital products that people will love. 4. Offer translation services. Another great way to utilize ChatGPT-4 is by offering translation services. As a machine learning model, ChatGPT is capable of accurately translating languages, making it an ideal tool for translating manuals, training materials, and product descriptions for your clients. By offering translation services on freelancing platforms, you can tap into a huge demand for language services and use GPT-4 to deliver fast and accurate translations that meet the needs of your clients. With GPT-4, language barriers are no longer a hindrance, and you can help people connect and communicate across the globe. 5. Create videos using ChatGPT. Creating videos using GPT-4 is another fantastic way to make money. By combining ChatGPT with other AI-powered tools like Pictory.ai and Murph.ai, you can easily create stunning videos that are sure to capture the attention of your audience. Whether you're creating product demos, explainer videos, or social media content, GPT-4 can help you create a video content that stands out from the crowd. Once you've created your videos, you can sell them on platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or your own website to start generating income. With GPT-4 and other AI-powered tools, creating engaging and informative videos has never been easier or more profitable. 6. Blog writing. Blog writing is a popular way to earn money online, and GPT-4 can be a useful tool to help writers generate content more efficiently. GPT-4 is a powerful language model that can be trained to write articles on a variety of topics, making it a valuable resource for content creators. To use GPT-4 for blog writing, you can start by providing it with a prompt such as "write a blog on how to start freelancing in 30 days." GPT-4 will then generate an article based on this prompt using its vast knowledge of the English language and its ability to understand context and generate coherent text. Once you have the article generated by GPT-4, you can edit and refine it to ensure that it meets your standards and is suitable for publication. This process can save you a lot of time and effort compared to writing articles from scratch, and can allow you to focus on other aspects of your blog, such as promotion and marketing. It's important to note that while GPT-4 can be a useful tool for generating content, it's not a replacement for human writers. While it can generate high-quality text, it's not able to think creatively or develop unique ideas in the same ways that a human writer can. As such, it's best to use ChatGPT-4 as a supplement to your own writing rather than a replacement. Overall, ChatGPT-4 for blog writing can be a great way to save time and generate high-quality content quickly. By leveraging the power of this language model, you can focus on other aspects of your blog and earn money through advertising, affiliate marketing, or other monetization methods. 7. YouTube scriptwriter. Creating high-quality content for YouTube can be a time-consuming process, especially when it comes to scripting. However, with ChatGPT, you can generate video scripts quickly and efficiently. To use ChatGPT as a YouTube scriptwriter, you simply need to provide a prompt related to the topic you want to cover in your video. For example, you may enter a prompt like "create a script for a video about the benefits of meditation," or "write a script for a product review of the latest smartphone." ChatGPT-4 technology opens up a wide range of opportunities for individuals and businesses looking to make money online. From creating websites and landing pages to offering translation services, creating and selling online courses and ebooks, creating engaging videos, and generating high-quality blog content, GPT-4 is a powerful tool that can help you take your earning potential to new heights. As the new technology continues to evolve, the possibilities are endless, and those who are willing to embrace it and adapt to its capabilities will undoubtedly find success in the digital landscape. So why not start exploring the possibilities of GPT-4 today and discover how it can help you achieve your financial goals?